Hi all, the 18th of September marked my 1 year anniversary as leader of the council. So for this week's update, I wanted to look back at my first year in office. Wow, where has the time gone? I have to say it's been one of the best years of my life, albeit challenging and sometimes stressful, but it's an honour and a privilege to serve as leader. I was born in Merthyr, grew up in Merthyr, and I've lived here my entire life. For me, this is the best place in Wales, where our greatest asset is our resilience and our sense of community. As I reflect on the year, I'm grateful to my Cabinet and Council officers for their support with what we've achieved. We've united political differences for stability, bringing in like-minded colleagues Jamie Scriven, Declan Salmon, Paula Leighton and Jeremy Davis, because you, the public, deserve this union. Earlier this year, we set a balanced budget where we engaged and listened to residents and protected education. We've introduced these weekly updates to ensure you have open, honest and clear communication. We've worked with Welsh Government to secure funding for coal tip remediation. We've worked closely with officers, ward councillors and residents with weather-related issues caused by storms Bert and Dara. We've also worked closely with the regeneration team on the redevelopment of the town centre, welcoming exciting new businesses like Coco's and the soon-to-open new cocktail bar and Turkish restaurant. We've also progressed on plans to relocate the indoor market downstairs into the former Wilko's unit. The town is changing and for the better, and it's really exciting to be part of. This year, we've realised an ambition of mine to create a new event in the town, bringing the established event Day Fever and 80s Legends to Merthyr for our very first ever Red House Festival. I wanted to bring some joy and happiness, create some positivity and give people something to really look forward to. It was a huge success for the town centre, with an increase in footfall and income for lots of businesses that day. Going into my second year in office, we will continue to explore options for the Red House, a project which I'm really passionate about, and we're looking at some exciting plans for the Gleeblan site also. Finally, we've set our priorities as administration with clear objectives to ensure our council is fit for purpose and ready for the challenges ahead. These are: lead on learning. This year, this has included investing in schools, both new builds and refurbishments, increasing attendance and improving results across the board for GCSEs and A-levels. Providing a helping hand. This year, Merthyr Tudful is the first authority in Wales to offer 100% fly-in staff provision. We've also seen the opening of new facilities such as the Flowers, which is a groundbreaking facility and first of its kind in Wales. It's somewhere where children looked after can feel safe in their own beautiful home. We've also had a positive inspection for T. Gurness residential home. Safer and cleaner Merthyr Tudful, working with partners such as South Wales Police on initiatives like Merthyr Tudful Together to clean up the town centre, making it a safer place for people. And lastly, grow our leisure and cultural spaces. This year has included the opening of a brand new state-of-the-art 3G facility at Avontaff High School for enhanced community use, the refurbishment of the facilities at the Grove Field Aberfan and the AstroTurf at Cyfarthfa, and of course, the new skate park at Merthyr Tudful Leisure Village. We are delivering on what we promised, and with so many more exciting things to come over the next 18 months. I just want to say that my door is always open. If you want to talk to me or a member of the Cabinet, please get in touch by emailing cabinet@merthyr.gov.uk. I, like all the administration, want the very best for you, the people of Merthyr Tudful, because you deserve it, and I can assure you that your voice will always be heard. That's all from me this week. Have a great weekend. Diolch.